In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the spark plugs on your GMC K1500. These are going to be located on either side of the motor. Let's get started. Using a pair of spark plug wire pliers, we're going to remove the spark plug wire. I'm going to pull it out of this plastic bracket on top so we can pivot it down slightly. Twist it back and forth and pop it off. If you don't have a set of these, you can use a pair of pliers. You just want to be very careful on this rubber. If you put a cloth over your pliers, or you could even do an old rubber hose. Using a 16mm spark plug socket, or a regular socket. I'm going to get on the spark plug. Remove the spark plug, install the spark plug down into place, and get it started by hand. Torque the spark plug to 22 foot-pounds. We're going to take our plug wire and some silicone, and we're just going to coat the boot. You don't want to put it all the way down to the contact. We just want to put it on the boot so it doesn't get stuck on the ceramic. Once you have a nice thin coat, pull it down. Push it onto the spark plug. You'll hear a small click or you'll feel it. And then it's seated. Make sure you reinstall it into the plastic stay. Repeat this process for all 8 spark plugs, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.